Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Monday, January the 4th, 2010. Well, an extremely bullish day today. We have a very large green-bodied candle, and the size of the body is the largest that we've seen in this market for quite some time, over probably the last month or so. We have the market opening at the low and closing almost at the high, which tells us that the bulls closed the market in control, with very strong control, and they showed very strong commitment to taking this market higher. The fact that we have a very large green-bodied candle suggests that the bulls made very solid net progress on the day between the open and the close as well. Now, we have also had a change of trend in the first time frame. Previously, we had a series of lower highs and lower lows, and we had a first time frame downtrend. Today's trading gave us a higher high and a higher low, which gave us a new first time frame uptrend. This has confirmed the trend in the second time frame as well. And if we look here, we can see that we have a peak, a trough, a higher peak, a higher trough, and a higher peak again. So confirming the trend in the first time frame. Now, over the past month or so before Christmas, we had the market trading within this very large congestion area, quite a large area. We had the previous strong trend coming into this congestion area, and this is a large rectangle pattern, and the market finally broke out about a week or so ago. What can happen sometimes is that the market, after the breakout, the market pulls back to around this area of the previous resistance and potentially find support there, and that's exactly what's happened here. This is a classic way for a pattern to develop. So the trend is up in the first and second time frame. The only thing we need to worry about at the moment is this resistance at 1133, and that's pretty much where the market held at. The market couldn't close up above that area, and that was a previous support area, and we know that support and resistance can change roles, and in this case the market has changed that area from being an area of resistance to a potential area of support. Now, looking at the Ichimoku indicators, we are trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, and the market is trading up above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, and we had a positive twist of the Tenkan-sen above the Kijun-sen. Previously, the market didn't actually trade down below, or the Tenkan-sen didn't actually trade down below, but it reinforced the bullishness in the market when it actually crossed up above again. The market, the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen were at the same level previously in this area. Now that twist happened above the cloud of the Kumo, which makes that a very strong signal, and we can see that the market has gone on with it. The market did find support here at the at the Tenkan-sen, and that's what happens when there's a lot of momentum in markets. They tend to find support initially at the Tenkan-sen, which is the indicator that represents the trend in the first time frame, or the very fast time frame. And the market has bounced off there with a very, very bullish day today. So today we need to keep an eye on this 1133 region. We'd like to see a solid close up above there, and if we pan out, we can see that we have the next area of potential resistance at around 1163. That was a previous area that there was some activity previously, and there isn't any major resistance for this market up to around that. So potentially this market may appreciate another 30 points from here. It may not do it all in one go. There may be some pullbacks, but we have some very good areas where the market can find support if the market does come off. Once again, within this range of congestion, if this does turn out to be a bull trap, and we have good solid support here at the Tenkan-sen and the Kijun-sen, which are at 1119 and 1108, and then a very strong area of resistance around the 1108 region previously. And then if the market does trade back down into this area, we have very strong potential for support around the cloud or the Kumo, which coincides with the bottom of this rectangle pattern. But at the moment, this market is looking quite bullish. It should continue in the first time frame and has the potential to trade up to 1160 or so.